Alright guys, so I've been attempting to do these videos for the past, videos, I said that weird, videos, for the past hour, and someone keeps always walking. I lock the door and then they'll knock there and they'll stare at me. Sorry children, but anyway, review part 3, take like 10. So again, this angle right here and this angle there together should equal 180. So 180 minus 110 gives me 70. That means this right here is 70. I'm still missing this angle up here. So in order to get that angle, a full triangle should add up to 180. So I need to do 180 minus 70 minus 35. Okay. So I believe when you subtract that out, you get 75. If I have the wrong math or the wrong calculations, I'm sorry. I don't have a calculator and I already did this like 20 times, so I'm not gonna stop and go get a calculator. I'm sorry, so sorry. Anyway, so that was number 1, pretty simple. Go on to number 2, and they want you to find or solve for W. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna leave the W by itself, so you're gonna do minus 2L minus 2L, so that's P minus 2L equals to W. Right now these are being multiplied, so the opposite of multiplying is dividing. Divide by 2. And that's pretty much it. Simplify this, so P over 2 minus L equals W. Now I did ask you guys to think about this. How would you solve A equals pi R squared? How would you leave the R by itself? So I told you right now these are being multiplied, so the opposite of multiplying is dividing by pi. This is an extra problem that I gave you guys for practice. My voice is going away from all the trials. Anyway, so I'm rewriting it, and then I need to get rid of this square. So in order to get rid of that square, I'm going to get the square root of both sides. So then square root of A over pi equals R. And then I asked you guys to remember, if that was a 3, then you take the cube root. There would be a 3 here everywhere, right? If that was a 4, then you would take the 4th root. There would be a 4 here everywhere, and so on. Okay, so same idea. Alright, last problem, the one that everybody gets super sad about. Nobody likes that Erica borrows money because we're struggling with her calculations. But the formula is A equals P1 plus R over N to the NT power. Okay, so Erica owes, or Erica borrowed 6,000, that's P, and then the years, that's T, and then her rate should be as a percentage, so 8 divided by 100, that's 0.08, and this is R. And then finally annually, that's N, which equals 1. So I'm going to go back onto my formula and I'm going to substitute all these in. 6,000, 1 plus 0.08 over 1 times 3, or times 2, sorry. Okay, so 6,000, 0.08 divided by 1 is just 0.08, and then 1 times 2 is just 2. Then I'm going to do this part. So 1 plus 0.08 is just 1.08 squared. Did I say times 2 right now? I'm not sure. It's squared, it's not times 2. And then I would need to take that, and I think there's a calculator here. Yes, there is. So I would need to take 1.08 and square it, and that gives me 1.664, but you need to round to 1.1664 to 3 decimal places. So because this makes the 6 stay into a 6, stay as a 6, I'm going to take it off and I'm going to leave it like that. And then finally I multiply those two values and I get 6,000. I hope I'm getting, oh I didn't, no I did it wrong. 6,000 times 6 times 1.166, I get $6,996. Okay, you have to take it step by step. Again, if you just keep getting stuck, at least try it out. You will get a couple points. Alright, so let me go on to review part 4, and I'll see you guys in the next one.